That was a weird intro, but today I'll be making some brown sugar pearl milk tea. I have some like leftover boba. It sounds kind of disgusting, but like when I can't finish it, I put it in the fridge and then like I reuse it for another time. That might be a bit gross for some of you guys, but I love it. So today we're gonna be making a brown sugar syrup inside the pearls. I mean, like they're gonna be mixed together, you know, your typical brown sugar pearl boba bubble tea. So let's get started. This is basically how it looks like. I know it looks really disgusting, but yeah. So here it is. I left it in the fridge for like a day. So yeah, and these pearls are from cocoa, so I mean, you can make your own too, but like I've tried making them like a billion of times and each time I fail. So basically I would recommend to use a stove, but like I'm too lazy, so I'm gonna use my microwave to make this syrup, which is kind of disgusting as well, but like it's fast, so like I don't know. Alright, so then in your bowl, you're gonna pour your boba in there. So once you've got your pearls in there, nice and gloopy, you're gonna need some brown sugar. This is light brown sugar. I also have brown sugar, but like we're kind of running out, so this will have to do. Just take your spoon. You can grab as much as you want. If you want it more sweet, then add more. I'm adding like about 1 tablespoon. So you're gonna go to your Asian water dispenser. You know, every Asian knows what this is. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can just use boiling hot water. Just pour a bit, like that much, to like, you want to dissolve the sugar a bit, you know? And now, what you're gonna do is stir it. Ooh, so yummy. Delicious. So yummy. Delicious. And now you're just gonna put it in your microwave. We're gonna have to put this for a pretty good time. So let's just do 20 seconds for now. By the way, this is not my phone, this is my mom's phone. Yeah. So I just took it out of the microwave. It's pretty steamy. As you can see, the sugar kind of dissolved, but you can still see more sugar. So what are we gonna do? Just put it back in there for another let's just do 30 seconds, you know. 30. Oh. Oh guys, it smells so good right now. Oh, look at that. Those 30 seconds made such a big difference. So as you can see, it's kind of getting like thick and syrupy. Technically, you can stop right now. Okay, so hi guys, this is kind of where I stopped talking because my sister and mom came back home. It feels really weird when they look at me film the videos and talk. So here I am, just pouring the boba into the cup, and yes, I am just doing a voiceover here. Much easier than 2 people staring at you. Alright, now you're just gonna roll the boba around, and you're only doing this so that the brown sugar can disperse into the cup. So when you put the milk in, it'll look really nice. So as you can see, I'm just rolling it all around, and I just got my jug of milk. I'm using 2%. Honestly, I would use cream. I love cream. Yes, heavy cream milk, full fat. I love that. It tastes great. So I'm just gonna roll it more because the sugar probably just went down to the bottom, and I just poured in my milk. Okay, stop right here. Editor Jessica popping in right now. My bubble tea looked kind of bad and didn't look like the real thing. I know it didn't, okay? But let me tell you, when I usually make it on the stove and stuff, it does actually look like it, okay? So don't come at me saying that my bubble tea looks wrong and doesn't look like a brown sugar pearl milk tea. I usually make it look really nice. It turned out really bad this time because I used light brown sugar and I used the microwave, which no one really does. But when I usually make it, it does look like a brown sugar pearl, okay? I do know how to make it. It's just this time it looked kind of ugly, okay? But still tasted great. Okay, bye. Back to the video. I'm also being a little bit extra fancy by adding some vanilla ice cream into the cup of milk. I was kind of struggling, but it was all good. Ooh, look at that pop. Mmm, delicious. Wow. So I just put like 3 scoops of ice cream and I ate a scoop for myself. Because vanilla ice cream, you can't go wrong with it. It's the best. Okay, now this is the finished product. As you can see, I'm just stirring in the ice cream to incorporate it with the milk, stirring with boba. That was pretty delicious. Licking it, that was kind of disgusting. Tasted great, like even the milkshake. Putting my straw in. Wait, guys, come on, man. We don't use plastic straws anymore. We use reusable straws, steel straws, guys. Save the turtles. Come on, it's 2020. We gotta start being sustainable, reusable. And here I am trying the boba. It was really hard to suck it up. I don't know because it's probably the straws, but when I tasted it, it tasted so good. It was like store-bought boba. I mean, I think mine is better, but here you go. There's me posing for some thumbnails. The boba was super chewy. I think it was better than when I bought it store-bought. Honestly, it was so chewy and delicate and great and had a really nice brown sugar pearl. Also remember to subscribe and like the video. Goodbye. So this is just me finishing up my boba in my room. I ended up using a spoon, and here's me chewing away. I could have done an ASMR. If you guys want an ASMR, comment down below and I would gladly do an ASMR of me chewing pearls.